Alright, in this video we'll be covering this challenging SAT math problem, so pause video here if you want to solve this on your own. Alright, so this problem says the function f is defined by f of x equals 3x. The function g is an increasing linear function. In the xy plane, the graphs of y equals f of x and y equals g of x intersect at 2 points, aj and bk, where j is less than k. When g of x is greater than f of x, which of the following must be true? So to solve this problem, I will use graphing. So to start, we'll create a basic plane here. So remember for exponential functions, I'll start by graphing that. For exponential functions, at x equals 0, they always will be 1. Now let's graph at 1, where it'll be 3 to the power of 1, so the exponential function will be 3. And it's just going to quickly grow from there. Now remember, as exponential functions approach negative infinity, they approach 0. So it's going to quickly approach its asymptote here. Alright, so now I'm going to put down our intersection points. So there's going to be an intersection at A, J, and B, K. So how do I know the intersections will look like this? Well, since J is less than K, and F is always increasing, that logically means A must be less than B. Alright, so now we need to graph our linear function. So I'm going to use a separate color here. So our linear function must intersect at these points, so we know it's going to look something like this. So now that we have this graph here, we can answer our question. So when g of x is greater than f of x, which is this point here, which of the following must be true? So x is greater than k? Well, no, because at k, the exponential function becomes greater than the linear function. X is less than j, the same problem. The exponential function is greater than the linear function. So none of these are going to work. Now x is less than j. No, that automatically makes us wrong just because that's just not true. So our final answer is D, which makes sense since this point G is only greater than F from A to B. So that's our final answer. So if you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is the first video in a series of SAT math problems I'll be doing.